everybody. My name is Kat and let me fix this to get it slower. Here. And my name is Kwa, and today we're gonna learn about baking. You might ask, more baking? You might get kind of bored. So today I'm gonna teach you to make more breakfast. Sometimes you might eat cereals, or you think I'm gonna teach you about the boring sausage again. No way. I'm not gonna teach you how to cook sausage and arts of sausage again. Well, today I teach you to do pancakes. Pancakes, I seem it a little bit hard, but when I'm flipping, you could ask your parents to do this. You could use the pancake powder to make it into the mixtures. I choose chocolate pancake powder. If you not, you could just need to make a batter. Say to your mom, you can say to your mommy to make it. Or if you don't have a mommy, you could ask your grandma or your dad or someone else. To make that batter, you could just do like the cakes. Milk, water, 2 eggs, and some more materials I'm not very remembered. As mine, my mom has been buy for me a real pancake powder, but I cannot show to you this time. I say to you. So to make this into a batter and then flip on the pan, I just need to add in water, then stir it good. Stir until it turns into a liquid, brown liquid. It will smell more like chocolate and it's delicious. But when you eat that batter, it's kind of not very delicious because it's a batter. Not delicious at all. It still have a chocolate flavor, but it's not delicious. Do not try this, or you might get a tummy trouble. And mine, I need to stir it real good. Stirring it good. But remember, that water must be clean water. If it not clean water, when you cook it, then you eat it, you might have a stomach ache. When you don't have that pancake powder, you just need to make a dough, then you don't need to add water and stir at all. Just pour it into a pan and open the stove and flip it. Like this. When you cook the pancake, it's kind of like when you're making eggs or an omelette. I kind of like to eat omelette with fish can. It kind of look delicious. My mom always make make that for me when it was dinner. Yummy. For you, when the heating, be careful, or if it's too hard for you, you could ask your parent to do it. Pour it into a pan, but not too much. It must be kind of flat and not too thick, okay? Just flat. Pour it a little bit on. When you sizz it up. When it's good, you can use a material that can lift and turn the eggs. I didn't know what that called. Or you could just flip it by make the pancake up and plat on the pancake, not plat in your face. It will be real hot when you do it. Because when you want to make a cake, when you want to fry pancake, you don't very need oil. When you added oil, it will taste very oily and fat, and that does not make any delicious at all. So you don't need oil, no need sauce. No need sauce at the cooking, but when you're done at the cooking, you could add hot butter or maple syrup or anything else like whipped cream with some fruit. That would be delicious for you. If you don't know how to do it at all, one very easy thing. You buy at a store. But I want you to make to yourself, not to buy at the store. If you don't want to make a pancake, you could make omelets by just crack an egg into a bowl, mix it up, then pour it into the pan, and then sizz it up, cook it up, and put on a plate. You can add some sauce in it, but not maple syrup or anything else. You could eat it by alone with some milk. Could be nice. How about some waffles? I do love waffles by making it batter. You cannot use a pancake powder and make it into batter. It's just for pancakes, not waffles. Waffles, it need to have a dough. It's not a cookie dough. It is a batter, kind of like a cake. Then you pour it into a waffle maker and sizz it up. You need to wipe it, or it will taste no delicious. Wait and wait until it have a ding. When you open it, put it out. You might have some sauce on it, not chili sauce or tomato sauce. You could have whipped cream or maple syrup with fruits, or with butter will be nice, like pancake, as you want. And I'm warning you, at the breakfast, you could eat some fat, but not too sweet like candy or other canned sweets. But do not buy too spicy or anything. This morning I ate some noodles that is real spicy. I think you're not very good at eating spicy, aren't you? Spicy can make your tongue sizz up. So do not eat anything that is have a bad taste to you. You could have some vegetables for breakfast, or if you're too late, if I too wake up too late, I just drink a cup of milk or water. How about some cereal? Cereals are nice, but I don't have. I really love to eat fruit cereal. There have a kind of cereal that is really good for you. It have wheats and grains. It have dry fruit like apple or grape or strawberry. It do have some seeds in it, like melon seeds. Not that black seed. It have a pumpkin seed that is all cooked up and many other seeds. You can read at the ingredients. But hear my warning. If a word sugar nearly at the top, that means that cereal have lots of sugar. In the ingredients, okay? You could just need a little sugary in your life. It would be nice to have some cereals. That cereal I said, it is in a red package, and when you want to try to eat it, eat the most delicious thing. But do not forget the milk. When you eat cereal with milk, it will be real delicious. You can try anything of breakfast in your life. Ooh, how about spaghetti? I do love spaghetti. When you want to be making spaghetti, it has a quite long time, so be careful. You must have spaghetti, but that is uncooked spaghetti, tomatoes, some meats, cut meats, and some more. To make the sauce, you must need tomato sauce, and have some meat or mushroom in it. Cook it up. Cook a lot as you want. Then as the spaghetti, you must boil it. Boil it until soft and wiggly. I do love to teach you the spaghetti dance, but it cannot do this. It just asks some of your friend or brother or sister or your partner, then hand to hand, then legs swinging around and hand and arms, grabbing hands to hands, holding hands to hands, and wiggle their hands and the legs. Move side to side too. I really like that dance, spaghetti dance. You could have a ball. So, no, your head will be the meatball. Your head will move like this, from side to side. It pretend like meatball. And you can. I just know how to dance, but I do. I created by I see a movie. It had a spaghetti dance, so I learned from it. It's really funny. I forgot what is that name though. So never mind. If you hear all of my kind of breakfast, you can do all of your stuff. You could do some toast with eggs or sandwiches. If you like all of those, do not forget a like and a subscribe. And don't forget to ring a bell. Bye bye. Okay, cut it.